Hi, in this video, we will be discussing about how to use an abstract method and implement it via using Enum. And let's just go into the video. Well, with no further ado, let me go to the video and explain what I'm about to do. So obviously, this is about Enum. So I'm creating an Enum and my Enum name is operation. So what I wanted to do with this enum is I wanted to have two constants in it, which is going to be one constant should give me addition of two numbers that I pass, and another constant should give me subtraction of the two numbers that I pass. So I'm going to define add, and for add, as I said, I'm going to take two numbers inside. So it is going to take, let's give the apply is going to be my method name, and it is going to take first argument int x, second argument is int y, and let's define it. This is going to return me x plus y. This is what I want my first constant to do. Let's copy this. Now I'll have sub, and sub should also do the same thing, except that I want it to return uh, subtraction of the two numbers that I pass, semicolon. Now that we have defined our constants, I told that this is, I wanted to have a abstract method because I wanted this method should also be available to the compiler when I'm going to mention the apply operation. So let's put our method name, so which is public abstract int apply int x int y. Close your enum. So this is going to be my enum. Put a semicolon here. So this is going to be my enum. Either I can have a separate class called operation, and when I say class, mean I can have a separate Java file and have this enum as a public enum operation. You can just copy paste this entire content into in your .java file and call that file into your main method, or else I'm using the main method right inside this very same Java class, which is my enum demo is my class name. So put that name public enum demo, so that yeah, public class name, this is my public class name. So inside this I want my main method, and inside my main method I'm going to call my enum, which is operation. Let's create a reference variable. This is going to be my reference variable. This reference variable is going to refer to my enum operation, which is having its own abstract method called int apply. This method is going to call the constant add and sub, and it is when it is going to call, I'm also going to pass two arguments in it. Let's see what I'm talking about. So here I put operation dot add, and if I wanted to print this operation dot, so this is reference variable, I'm calling this apply method, which has, so this abstract method has got a defined inside here, and here I pass 120. I can also call the subtraction of dot apply, but before that let's assign the operation variable with subtraction. So I'm using the same variable from here. I'm going to reassign it with operation dot sub, and now let's pass 100 comma 20. I'll throw in some strings so that we understand what we do. So here what I have done is, let's printing the add, something simple that you will understand when you put in sentence there, and reusing it here. Let's put difference. When we run this thing, I have 120 and 80. So this is the example of how to use an abstract method and implement it inside your constants with Enum. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe. Bye.